What lace? What lace? I don't understand. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. How are you guys doing? What's up? What do you do, baby? So in today's video, I will be installing this hair. I'll give you guys all the tea. We are installing the hair. We are styling the hair. Wasn't really much styling to it, but we're doing everything, okay? Y'all just gonna have to take my word for it that this lace is literally flawless in real life, okay? The whole white cast situation is literally just because of the studio lights. But before we get into the video, I want to give a huge shout out to Alipearl Hair for sponsoring today's video. I wanted to partner with your girl. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's get straight into this video. I look crazy, but what can I tell you guys? So the wig we are going to be styling and prepping and everything today is from Alipearl Hair. This is the box. I already bleached the knots, toned it. I did everything. The only thing I haven't done is pluck it. So we're about to do that right now because I don't even know if it fits my head because I haven't even gotten that far. So it comes in a plastic bag as any other wig. Excuse the lighting, y'all, because I'm actually recording at nighttime because I was running some errands and it got a little bit late. So it comes with this silk wrap, silk band. I'm pretty sure it's a silk wrap. Yeah, so it's a silk wrap that says Alipearl. So it also comes with an elastic band to, like, you know. And then you have some wig caps, edge brush. It comes with this silk scarf. I'm not about to open that right now, but yeah. And then it also comes with a silk bag to store your hair. If you guys feel my rushed energy, I'm sorry, but I have so many things to do and I need to get my hair done first and then get this video out of the way. Okay, so this is the wig. I totally forgot to show you guys the wig. So this is the wig. It is a 13x4 lace, front lace wig, lace front. It's still kind of wet. This wig is still kind of wet. It is 24 inches. It comes with 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 on each side and 1 in the back, and it also comes with adjustable straps. So let's try it on. And the cap, my cap size is a medium. I never know if I'm a medium or a small, but let's just hope this fits. So I over bleached my knots, as you guys can see, but I honestly do not care. The hair is super soft. I feel like it's a little bit like, I don't know, matting up right now. That's because I feel like I still have product in it. I don't think I actually rinsed the conditioner out properly, like thoroughly. So just make sure you do that. I haven't done one of these wig videos in such a long time. I remember I told myself to, like, you know, take a break from wig videos because it was starting to become really, really repetitive on my channel. Like, it got to a point where I was doing a wig video at least like once a week or twice a week or something like that. I'm going to hot comb this, all the hair back, and then I'm going to pluck it a little bit. It doesn't really need much plucking, but you know, just to perfect it or whatever.
Yeah, she bad, I see it, they digging me. She calling me, saying she feeling me. I said, wait, tell me the truth. I see that you really trying to be a mini-me.
My wig cap is not the best, but it's alright. It's okay, and I look crazy. So we're gonna take some lash glue. I really feel like these lights are too bright. I'm just gonna go ahead, put it right where the wig cap ends, and a little bit on my forehead. I'm going to do 3 layers because I need this wig to, like, last for at least 4 days. Well, that's the goal. I don't know how that's gonna go. We're gonna let this dry and then we're gonna do another 2 more coats, I think. Yeah.
Wanna protect, no. I only want diamonds, yeah, she bad. I see they digging me. She calling me saying she feeling me. I said, wait, tell me the truth. I see that you really trying to be a man. Look at my neck froze. They say I'm shining. I wanna protect, no. I only want diamonds. I used to be madly in love, my nigga, to tell you the truth. I opened my eyes, I knew I was dreaming, I hopped in the pool. The shawty was stealing my sweat, so I told her to move. Can't do the same thing twice, they call it a 2x2. I'm wearing black on blue, really she's screaming.
As you guys saw, I put the elastic band after each section. Ah, my ear. Now we're going to go ahead and cut the lace. It's like I haven't cut lace in so long, I'm low-key nervous.
There ain't no wedding rings or some.
I know for a fact that I just don't want to cut too much. Like I want to cut just enough, but I don't want to cut too much because I want to be able to customize this wig again.
She said that she stuck like glue. No, I ain't down for all those romantic games that I know you play. So if you're not serious, just disappear.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to continue to glue because as you guys can see, it's lifting over there. Like I didn't put enough glue, like far out enough. It looks terrible on camera because of my studio lights, but it's actually really, really good looking. As you guys can see to the side, when I turn to the side, you can see how nice and flawless it looks. I'm gonna part my hair down the middle because I normally always do a middle part. So I just wanna make sure that it looks good in a middle part because it's easier to finesse a side part even if it doesn't look all that great, you know? Okay, so I just did that to see if I want to cut this part off or if I want to glue it down. I think I want to cut it off. Okay, so before I tie it down, I'm just going to go over with my foundation brush. I don't have any foundation on this brush though. It's just like residue. I'm just going to go over the edges to remove that white cast. And I am not a fan of putting makeup on top of my lace, but this lace needs it to camouflage everything. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my bed head, hard head hairspray, or you could take your Got2b, whatever hairspray that you use to lay your lace. I'm just gonna spray a little tiny bit, not too much, on the edges, mostly where I feel like it might be lifting.
Disengage, cause I gotta go. Yeah, she bad, I see they digging me. She calling me saying she feeling me. I said, wait, tell me the truth.
Okay, so I just wanted to zoom you guys in so you guys can see this lace. And let's just put some disclaimers out there. If you know how it is to wear wigs and take photos with flash or wear wigs and record with studio lights, you're gonna get this white cast that you can see right here and you can see right here, but you can't see it in the front because the front is directly on to the lens. So this is what it looks like in real life.
I see that you really trying to be a mini-me. Look at my neck froze. They say I'm shining. I wanna protect, no. I only want diamonds, yeah, she bad. I see they digging me. She calling me saying she feeling me. I said, wait, tell me the truth.
Okay, so I'm back. I'm biggity back. Okay, and as you guys can see, I did my makeup. I did film a separate video on this look. Okay, so this is the final look with the hair. And honestly, y'all just gonna have to take my word for it that this lace is literally flawless in real life. Okay, the whole white cast situation is literally just because of the studio lights, and I cannot be taking photos with flash until I fix this issue. I'm aware of that. This is one of my best installs till this day. One of my best installs, especially on straight hair or like body wave hair, because I've had some pretty good installs on curly hair, but like on straight hair, I want to say this is like one of my best installs. And I don't know if it's the install, it's just that I took my time today with the knots. Like I bleached the knots, I toned the knots. I never really toned my knots. So this is the final result on the hair. Shout out to Alipearl Hair for sponsoring today's video. Want to work with your girl. And let me tell you guys, I didn't mention anything about it, but I didn't really have much shedding. I had a little bit of shedding, but that's because my hair is tangling. And it's tangling because, as I said, I still have some product in it that I'm going to wash out tomorrow. And I'm probably going to show you guys on the vlog how it turns out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video. Bye!
Look at my neck, fold. They say I'm shining. I wanna be taken, no. I only want diamonds.